Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga in-upload ng napakagwapo si David Licauco. At yun na nga, nagbabasketball. Ayun, 3 points. Oh, shoot! Galing. Ayan, ang kanyang mga napakalaking braso. At next nga, pinost ng buong family Licauco yung teaser ng Urban Time na kasama si David at ang kanyang asong si Hershey. And this is another teaser video. Ayan na nga si David at saka si Hershey soon, Urban Time, na pinost kahapon. At ito naman yung actual video today na pinost kanina lang. Let's watch this. Uy, grabe, ang cute pareho, no? Grabe.
Hi, it's David and this is Hershey. And we are co-starring in today's shoot with Tommy Hilfiger and Urban Time.
At ito nga, Urban Time, presenting our icons of cool. David Licauco and Hershey strut in style wearing matching accessories from Tommy Hilfiger. The perfect duo wears curated set that includes a premium timepiece for pet parents and two-tone webbing leash for dogs. The limited edition bundles are exclusively sold online and have 2 available variants: Neo Watch and Leash Bundle and Denim Watch and Leash Bundle. Take your pick and shop Tommy Hilfiger only at Urban Time. Grabe, ang cute nila pareho, no? I so love it. At next naman ay post ng GMA Networks sa Twitter. Sabi niya, huwag palampasin ang official teaser drops ng Pulang Araw. So June 22, Eduardo de la Cruz. June 23, Adelina de la Cruz. June 24, Teresita Borromeo. June 25, Hiroshi Tanaka. And June 26, Colonel Yuta Saito. Uy, grabe, si Dennis Trillo pala yung Colonel Yuta Saito. I so love it. Bagay na bagay di kay Dennis yung hapon na role, no? At ito nga post ni Barbie Fortes sa kanyang Instagram stories kahapon. Meron siyang coffee espresso machine. Actually, teacher na ni genre nung isang araw yan. At nagpa-thank you nga siya kay Barbie dahil sa instant coffee espresso na libre galing kay Barbie Fortesa. Ayun na nga. At ayun na nga guys, nag-taping kanina si Barbie at saka si David at mukhang kasama rin si Maria Osawa. At nag-taping sila sa Batangas guys. So hindi ko alam kasi yung banat. Hindi nila ganinitan kasi, hindi niya ayusin. ng pangalan, no? Dapat na ganinitan ng pangalan next time mag-post siya. Ito pinost ni Nathan kaninang umaga, breakfast lomi and gotong Batangas. At next, galing sa Kapuso Bus from Twitter, behold the new list of A-listers in town as handpicked by Pep through the help of some major star makers in the country today. Teka, parang halos lahat mga majority ng mga stars nila, Best Bets Top 2024 ay puro Kapuso, no? Kunti lang kapamilya. Who are Pep Editor's Choice for Female New Generation A-lister? Ayun na nga, si Joshua, si Barbie, at saka si Ruru. So, the showbiz A-listers are on top. They are those who get the pick of the good roles, who are top of mind for big productions, who can even dictate who they star with. They command the highest paychecks, who are the center of expensive promotional marketing strategies, and who go to collect even bigger checks with endorsements, who became a showbiz A-lister. So, 4 major star makers: Laurenti Jogi for Star Magic, Joy Marcelo for Sparkle, Veronica de Rosario for Biba, and Rosel Monteverde for Regal share their theories on notes with Pep.ph in separate interviews over the first quarter of 2024. So number 1 nga ay si Joshua, number 2 ay si Ruru, at number 3 naman ay si David Licauco. While sa female naman, number 1 si Barbie Fortesa at number 2 si Miss Julie Ann San Jose, 3 si Maris Racal. I do not agree with 100% with this list kasi there are other A-lister stars na hindi kasama katulad ni Donnie Pangilinan, Bel Mariano, Francine Diaz, I think, at syempre si Jillian Ward. Sino ba makakatalo nung kanyang abot kamay ang pangarap ngayon, di ba? Grabe. At next naman ay shinare to ni Isabel Bulatao sa kanyang Instagram. Yung message, private message nila ni David Licauco. Sabi, enjoy it, you deserve it. Thank you. Good luck sa MediaCon bukas. Huwag kang papa-interview sa gilid. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Enjoy, saya. Gusto ko din ng Bora. Tara na. Ha ha ha. Alam niyo guys, hindi ko alam na ganun din pala kalaki yung impact nung interview ni David, yung kanyang careless interview dun sa gilid. So, ganun din pala kalaki yung impact kay David. Kaya napapagbiruan nila ni Isabel Bulatao, no? Grabe. Kasi, grabe yun yung bashing kay David nun. Ang tagal, diba? Buti na lang with the help of his projects and of course the team up again with Barbie Fortesa, medyo bumabango-bango na naman yung pangalan ni David, diba? At next naman ay post ni Genre, Barbie Fortesa for That Kind of Love media conference in Debico. Ayun na nga, the very pretty Barbie Fortesa na super cute talaga sa personal. Ayun na nga, gold ang kanyang shoes. At lagi niyang background yung kanyang awards, no? Diba? At this one, ayan, Team Barbie, Fatty Mercado, Barbie Fortesa, Miss John Navarro, we miss you, Miss D, Diana. At yun ang post ni Nathan Perolino with the cast of That Kind of Love and with the director. At yun nga si Barbie at saka si David on the side. At next naman ay post ni James Licauco sa Strava app, who was reminded that Ateneo is a hit. At next ay post ni James Licauco sa kanyang Facebook account, Run It Back. So yun nga, the cute James in Bora yata to, if I'm not mistaken. Yun nga, may aso. And then, oh yun, ano pala yung kanyang tattoo? Permanent na, no? Akala ko henna lang. Ayan na nga. So, mga kasama yata ni James yung dalawang girls. Ayan. At, ayan, nag-boating sila. At yan na nga si James with his tattoo. And this was in Kuya Korea, SM Clark. Kahapon pinost, guys. At ito na post ni James sa kanyang Instagram. Sabi niya, IG channel suggestions. At next naman ay Barbie and David signing their posters of That Kind of Love. Let's watch this.
Ang dami kasi naman.
Ang dami.
Yay! Thanks, Barbie! Yes! Grabe, nakapila na lahat.
Hindi, ipagpatong-patongin mo na lang. I-flip na lang na gano'n.
Para hindi na...
Ayan, thank you! Thank you! That kind of love, July 10! Yay! Thank you! Thank you, Adam!
For the transparent lines and spreading saliva in a raincoat in Korea? Ang tao lahat na sinabi niya.
Ang dami kasi naman.
Ang dami.
May special message pala yung kay Chris the Virgin.
Tito Lord, may easy and
Dito po.
Father's Day. Busy sila eh.
And lastly, ito yung pagbaba ng Barda sa stairway. Let's watch this.
David Licauco! David, Barbie, post muna dyan. Picture muna dyan. Okay, and Martha! Yes! Barbie, David, on stage, please. Ayan, may mga pahabol. Sila ni Capinia and ni Ray. Ayan. Okay, again, David Licauco and Barbie Fortesa. David, Barbie, halika, samahan niyo kami dito on stage, please. At pwede ko bang i-request ang lahat ng cast na tumayo and medyo mag-compress tayo for the photo op kasama ang lahat ng buo ng That Kind of Love, the cast, the director, and our screen.
At ito yung video na shoot nila para sa showing ng That Kind of Love. Let's watch it.
Barda talaga. Barda talaga.
That Kind of Love, short,
Barda
That kind of love.
Directed by Catherine O. Camarillo. Now showing!
Now guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!